Hello everyone, this is Menghan. Today video I would like to show you how to download Windows 11 from Microsoft, official from Microsoft. Okay, let's start. Okay, to download the Windows 11 that just released from Microsoft, original from Microsoft, I have put link in description and also some video before you upgrade to Windows 11. Something you need to know, also link in the description also. So there are three things to download and which one that fit for you. Okay, with install assistant, this means if you are running in Windows 10 and you want to upgrade to Windows 11, you can download from here and then after you can install directly the guide, but make sure you prepare your data or especially your data. Okay, the second one is install media, mean that when we download it and we got a tool and we make a USB boot or DVD. Okay, with that one. But the most the common one is the image file or ISO file. So you can copy and from one to another, or you can make a USB boot later on, no problem. Okay, so we can use that to make USB boot or use for virtual machine or anything. Okay, we can download here. First thing, select the version, so 11, and click download. So there have more in here, so choose that fit with your language, so you can use English or English International one. Just confirm. The file size is 1.5 GB. Okay, so here we got this one and click download. So they have only 64 bit. Okay, so download. So it may take some time, so around 15 minutes to 30 minutes or 1 hour, depend on your internet speed. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment. Okay, see you next video.